Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. Recently I learned about a method to get the number row or number keys right on your iOS keyboard without a jailbreak and without any extra app installation. So I thought it would be nice to share it with you all. Yes, it works on iOS 26 and lower. I have tested it on iOS 18 and iOS 16 as well. Now it is very simple to get it. First of all, open settings, then go to general, then scroll down to keyboard and then hit keyboards above, then hit on add new keyboard, search for V. You will see this Vietnamese keyboard, simply hit it and then hit add new keyboard, then select VNI from this layout list and then hit this check. Now simply go back home. Let me open Spotlight. You can see the number keys is here. Now to test it, I will open the Notes app and you can see it right here. Let's test it out. You can see it works without issues. No issues whatsoever. Now the only con of using this keyboard is that the autocorrect will not work. For example, if I type something, you can see that the suggestions are also in another language. Now if you want to switch back quickly, you can simply hit this globe icon here and you can see it is back. Hit it once more and you will get the Vietnamese keyboard we just added. And for emojis, you can simply hit this button and they are here just like before. Now if you want to remove it, you can simply again open settings, go to general, scroll down to keyboard, then hit keyboards, then hit this edit button and then hit this button, then hit delete, then hit this check. Now when you go back, we open Notes, you can see the Vietnamese keyboard is now removed. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.